Good afternoon, Mr. Uthaya Kumar.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Can you just tell us what happened just now?
In court today, we established two important points. One was, for the first time, it surfaced in open court. In fact, second time it surfaced in open court, because the first time it didn't get any attention. Before my arrest under ISA, it didn't get any attention. Number one is the issue of at least one person dying in the Hindraf 25th November rally. At least one person died. This has never been reported in any media, though the death certificate was tendered to the Attorney General himself on sometime in December 2007, early December 2007. So that was one point established, and even yesterday, the Timbalan Jabatan Siasatan Jenayah Deputy CID Chief of Bukit Aman, Federal Bukit Aman, says that there's nobody who died. Whereas today, we have produced a death certificate, a burial permit, that somebody called Murugiya Anak Laki Ratnam died on the 25th of November 2007. The police officer, the Deputy CID Chief, confirmed that it's 25th November 2007, and he died in the Jabatan Kecemasan in Hospital Ampang. And it's a very sad day for justice, because when we asked the officer to produce, to confirm whether he did in fact die on the Hindraf rally or not, the judge says no. The judge turns it down. She says no, he doesn't have to produce, he doesn't have to verify about the authenticity of the death certificate. We want to get to the truth. A trial is about justice, for finding out the truth, getting to the truth of the matter. It's very obvious that the prosecution and the courts are frightened of the truth. As I said in court just now, berani kerana benar, takut kerana salah, number one. Number two is the CID chief also specifically mentioned about Ops Padam Hindraf. Ops Padam Hindraf in court. Today is the 14th of January 2009. In court this morning, the CID chief, ACP Akril Mohammad Sani, said that there was an operation called Ops Padam Hindraf. That means to finish off Hindraf. And I suggested, in part of my cross-examination, I suggested to this ASP that part of this Ops Padam Hindraf involves the planting of one ASP, Uthaya Kumar, a member of the police special branch and under the E3M division, as part of this Ops Padam Hindraf, part of the operation to finish off Hindraf. And we do not know the identity of this individual. It remains a mystery, because he joined Hindraf just 3 months before the 25th November rally, and he was first appointed a Hindraf leader, not by the Hindraf leaders or not by the Hindraf members, but by the IGP. When the four lawyers, when they were always, at all time, there was only one Hindraf leader, that's P. Vedamurthy, and four Hindraf legal advisors. Plus Vedamurthy, there were only 5 lawyers. At all time, they were called the 5 Singham, 5 lions, including Vedamurthy, because they were all lawyers. So the first time this fifth mystery character surfaced as a Hindraf leader, or he was appointed a Hindraf leader by virtue of the Inspector General of Police announcing that 5 Hindraf leaders were arrested, including this ASP Uthaya Kumar. Only then, and with the power of the print and electronic media, it became known to the public that there are 5 Hindraf leaders, including Uthaya Kumar. And so to us, we do not know him. The Hindraf chairman never appointed him.
So in short,
the
he
Hindraf
was
people,
planted in that.
the Hindraf members never appointed him. He was appointed a Hindraf leader by the Inspector General of Police on 13th of December 2007, when he was arrested together with the other 4 Hindraf lawyers. Okay, so that's about it. So anybody, for the matter, who had been arrested with the 4 Hindraf lawyers will automatically become a Hindraf leader based on what the IGP has stated. The media will know this because you can check the records backwards. This thing is very clear. We have done a Google search on this Uthaya Kumar, now known as ASP Uthaya Kumar, in the civil suit, there are no records of him. No records of him anywhere, reported instance of him anywhere in the worldwide media, the world wide world, nothing. There's not a single letter written by him. As a journalist, you will know that you can ask any NGO member, any leader of any political party, nobody has heard of him before the 25th of November. Nobody has heard of him. And there's no history in Malaysia where with involvement of 3 months, an individual has been arrested in ISA. Also, there's no history in Malaysia. So, all these points were raised in court today, and these are the other points which we have raised. And the DPP, the learned DPP, I mentioned in open court just now, she says that even if it's true, I cannot say it because it is seditious, and that I'm not entitled to the documents to prove my case. I cited Article 145 of the Federal Constitution, which says that the duty of the Attorney General is in public interest. Public interest meaning also including the interest of the defendant. A defendant should not be wrongly convicted. But the DPP and the Attorney General seem to be vindictive. They are bent on sending me to jail. Okay.